Alright. So my bus will come. I have to do my part. Yeah, people, see it? Yeah. Yeah, Munji, I eat that them bus up. Hello again, guys. So remember I promised that I would show you what the coal skill looks like when it is basically in the process of burning. So the last time when I left, he said that this Munji said that he was going to put some grass on the coal skill, dirt it, that is putting soil on it, and then light it. So from a distance I can see smoke coming from the coal skill, and what that means sometimes is that yes, it is burning, but it can also mean that, I don't know if you can see the smoke going up, right? You see that? Yeah, right beside the coconut tree there. You see it? Yes. So it can mean two things, or basically both at the same time. So that is an indication that it is burning, and it can also be an indication that the coal skill BUSS, what we call BUSS, meaning that part of the coal skill is taken over by flames and is burning out instead of basically steaming through the coal skill. So what I'm saying is the fire is like when it bursts, the fire is concentrated at one area, which causes a hole in the coal skill due to the burning flame, which burns out the hood, burns out the grass that is used to cover it. So let us go and see what is happening. You can see the smoke there. So let us go and see what is happening really. Munje! You there, boy? I can take a look on the skill. And what if a rain a fall, man? Alright, so you're good though? Alright. May I take a look on here, so? Yeah, man. Alright, guys, here you have it. Here you have it. Remember, initially when you saw it, it was basically pure, like the wood. It was just, he built it up with the wood that is going to be burned. And now, as you can see, let us take a walk through. So, basically what you're seeing right here, let me zoom in a bit. Here is basically the grass that was placed over the wood, right? And if you look through, you can basically see the grass. Those are indications of the grass that was used, right? So let me just go around it. Let me just go around. Let's take a look at what is happening. Right? Just go around. As you can see, use matter of fact, let me just finish showing you what it looks like going around first before I start explaining what is happening. So as you can see, right, so let me move around, right, and you can see indications of coal that was burnt here already, right? These, right, all these are coal, right? So basically that is an indication that he used this here already too. This is his burning spot. So, yeah, Munji, you're good. So, what happens is that, so as I said before, this is the grass. You put those on the wood, and you're seeing the black dirt, the black soil. That is what he used to cover it. Right? To help it to steam. So, let me just show you when you say the coal skill. So, I bust this, Munji. I bust this, so.
Light it back.
Light it back. But you're not supposed to have the hole, not true? You're supposed to cover up with grass and dirt. Yeah, people. So when I stand up on the road a while ago, I show you the whole heap of smoke where I go up. Remember what did say? Either that is an indication that the coal skill light, or it can be an indication say the coal skill bust. So yes, it light, but it bust to you so. It bust you so. So when it bust you so, as you can see, it would have burned out too much. Right? See that? It have burned out too much, so I'm packing back. So wood there so. And then after, I'm going to just cover it up back with some grass. Right? And then cover it back with dirt. So that's the fire not just there one place, it just go all over. The skill. Same way, yeah man. Yeah, so by when we are going to draw this? But give about 1 3 day, 4 day.
Sunday and Monday.
Sunday or Monday. Yeah. So how much you sell one bag for?
Yeah, we get it here for $1,000.
$1,000.
Yes, but the market is more better off.
You better off a market.
Yeah.
Maybe we get one good 1,200 or 1,400 a market.
Yeah, we get it more than $500, I think.
What?
Yeah, one bag. I pay 114, I give a four grand over town.
So how much zinc coal in a one bag?
You will, some of the bag then will 4, some will 5, 6, 7, or 7.5.
Oh, some bag will 4 zinc, some will 5, 6 and 7.5. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, and grassy back.
Yes, and grassy back now.
Yeah, so when you do it now? Yeah, right. Alright, let me see what you do then. So as you say people, that this are bussy, so as you can see round is killer. Normally when you know bus, you see steam. A steamer come through all over the skill, you understand? You see steamer come up. Not no big smoke like that. So while I was growing up, you know, when we burning coal, it's like we could stay up at the house and we see when the big smoke coming up. And we know say, yo, coal skill boss, you know. Because we know what it looks like. And then sometimes when you see the smoke, it's like the smoke going up very fast. So you know that is either the coal skill bus big, as in the hole in the coal skill is big, we're letting out a lot of flames and smoke. You know? Yeah, so that is how we know we know whether it bus or not. You know? Or whether it is a big bus or not. When it is a big bus, the flames go up very fast. Just like this one here. So you can stay quite a distance and see the smoke in the air, you understand? Normally when the coal skill is steaming, you know, you just give you a gentle what you call, give you some gentle smoke like, you know, and it is like consistent over the entire coal skill. What you say, Munje?
It catch them now good.
Yeah man, it catch good man.
Just put in some jaws now.
Yeah.
And cover it.
Yeah.
Catch them now good. So I like it late last night.
Oh, you like it last night? You like it?
Yes,
and the rain go come down.
Yes, it never catch so wonderful.
Yeah. Oh, so if it did catch good and even rain fall, that's still light.
Right.
Yeah.
That light good.
Okay.
The night it come down from.
Yeah. See if I can do my part now. Yeah. Alright. So my boss will come. I have to do my part. Yeah, yeah, people, see, yeah. Yeah, Munji, I eat that them boss up. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.